Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! Thank you guys for sharing your holidays with me. I'm so excited for today's episode because finally I'm going to unbox these wonderful and amazing gifts from my friends, from my loved ones. Also a gift from me to me. I'm excited to be sharing everything to you. So hope you guys stay tuned until the end of our episode, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays again! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, and comment on this video and help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so it is still December 25 here during this unboxing, and finally I could unbox all these amazing gifts from my friends. I'm going to share everything to you again. So thank you so much to all my friends, my loved ones who have shared their holidays and give me this wonderful, amazing gift. So let us begin. So firstly, let us start first with the gifts from my dear friends. So first we have this very delicious cheese pie from my very dear friend Jazzy Jack. I'm going to link her YouTube channel below. So here it is. She has given one of each for me and Yen, and we have already unboxed one, and it is really delicious. Thank you so much for this one. Next, we have this from our good friend Sis Norma. Thank you so much. So this is from her recent trip in Beijing in China. I told her that Beijing is such an amazing and wonderful place. We have been there before. So thank you so much for this. So this is the first time that I'm seeing this. So this is the paper bag. It's a fashion silk, and I'm so excited for this one. I haven't seen this actually. Oh wow. Ooh. Oh wow. This is so nice. There. So I love the painting. So I'm not going to remove it from the plastic bag, guys, but I think you could use this. So this is a silk scarf, so you could use this as a twilly or bag accessory or fashion accessory. I love the painting. It's so vibrant and it really depicts, you know, the ancient Beijing or ancient China. Love, love, love this one. Thank you so much, Sis Norma, for this. And then next, we have gifts from, of course, my partner Yen. So he gave me Calvin Klein. As you know, I love anything metallic, as you can see. So guys, by the way, what I'm wearing right now, so this is from my latest design, my latest collection. I have posted everything on my Instagram account. So if you want to see this more, just check it out. So here is the gift from my partner Yen. So let's see. Okay, so it is a set of, so we have here, I think this is perfume, we have body wash, and then of course we have this one. This is so cute. Thank you so much. And of course, the next that I wanted to share a gift. So this is a gift from me to me. So this is an intangible gift, and finally I'm able to share. And that would be our trip next year, February next year, to Tokyo, Japan. So finally I'm able to share this to you. So last year, 2024 February, we traveled to Hong Kong. So I made an entire playlist for that one. I'm going to link it up here, put it on the description box. Make sure to check it out. So next year, we are so lucky. I feel so lucky, guys, that finally we were given, you know, visas to be able to visit one of the dream cities. Honestly, guys, this is one of on my bucket list and dream cities to be able to go. So Tokyo, Japan, stay tuned for that one. Definitely once we've landed, I would create several vlogs. I would create a separate playlist so that we could enjoy Japan together. Yay! So now let us check out more gifts that we are going to unbox for today. Alright, so for the second box of our Christmas unboxing, so this one, guys, these are gifts from me to me, and honestly, I never expected that would would be so addicted with these trends, and they are the very cute plushies, bag charms from POPMART, most of them from POPMART. So we are going to do a separate unboxing. I'm just going to show to you. I'm going to do an exclusive POPMART unboxing to share everything to you, but just to show you what we are going to do on unboxing. So this is my very first blind unboxing that I purchased. So this is the NOMMI Loveliness Never End. This is the one that I purchased from Toy Kingdom here in the Philippines. I'm so excited. So this is the very first one that I purchased, and we have actually a POPMART store here in the Philippines, and they had an exclusive shopping party because they are going to have a drop of limited edition, and of course the version 1 and version 2 of the Labubu plushie. So I was able to purchase two. I did not purchase this by myself. I had a friend purchase this for me. So I purchased to have a seat. So I'm going to explain on the next vlog why I purchased separately. But just to give you a rundown, here in the Philippines, you cannot purchase an entire box that is have 6 of this one. It is limited to like maybe 3 per person. So that's why I only got 2. And then the next one, Christmas Day. So we went out, we went to Mall of Asia. Then of course I insisted that we need to pass by POPMART because I had this strong gut feeling that because the exclusive sale that was December 20 to 21st, so I had the gut feeling that they have more stocks left over from the exclusive sale, and I was right. So we passed by and we got this. Yay! So as you can see, it's so big. However, they are limiting again the number of Labubu monsters that you could purchase. So you could only purchase 1 per client. So I have 1 for me, and then of course 1 for Yen. And that's not all, guys. I have more Labubu monsters coming. So I purchased 2 online. So from the POPMART official website, they did a live selling, and I was able to purchase this. So this is the Twinkle Twinkle plushies, and it would be shipped to me maybe early January. And then last but not the least, I have the version 1 of the Labubu macaron collection. So that would be shipped to me later this week. Unfortunately, I think they would not reach the POPMART unboxing, but I would just like to share them to you. So that is the part 2. Now let us go to part 3. Alright guys, so the grand finale of our Christmas holiday unboxing. So we have here this very beautiful and wonderful bag from Louis Vuitton. So this was a gift from my very dear friend Jenny, my sister. Thank you so much. So she gave this to me when we have, you know, birthday shopping party by my sister Chai. So we've exchanged gifts. So we've given our gifts to each other, and Jenny surprised me with this wonderful gift from Louis Vuitton. So are you ready? Do you have any guesses, guys, what we got? It's a little bit heavy, and to be honest, I had a peek of this one because when I was asking her, what did you give me? And she kept on telling me that there is a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. So I was thinking that maybe this is just a box from LV, and it is filled with makeup pieces. So let me just put it here. So here we have this very beautiful box from LV. So let us check if there is something written on the card. Ah, there's a card. Ah, that's so nice. Ah, okay. Yay! So, dear Ron, so this is a belated birthday gift. Wishing you good health and many more birthdays to come. Thank you for the friendship. Love, Jenny. Ah, thank you. Thank you so much, Jen. Thank you for this amazing, wonderful gift. Really, really do appreciate. And to be honest, you never get Louis Vuitton birthday gifts or Christmas gifts, you know, every day. So this is very special for me. Again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I know I'm babbling a lot, but now let us unbox in 3, 2, 1. Here she is. So firstly, so you've noticed this. So we have this one, but let us unbox first this little packaging over here. Okay, so this is what she mentioned. So this is so she said that this is a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. There, so let us see what's inside. I haven't seen this one. Oh, very cute packaging. So this is my very first Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Oh, super nice. Oh, wow. Oh, love the color. Love the color, guys. Oh, yes. I think she knows me well. I could use this one. This is kind of like of my shade. So it's more of like a nude shade. Super, super nice. Thank you so much. I'm just going to change my battery pack. It is dying on me. 1 sec. Alright, so here is what I got. So this is the Louis Vuitton City Guide Paris. Oh, wow. So maybe this is a manifestation. Perhaps one day I will also be able to travel and visit Paris. That would be a dream city, of course, that I would love to visit. So this is the first time that I'm seeing this one. So let me just flip the pages together with you. Okay. So it's really a tour guide. Oh, this is nice. Oh, wow. So they have etiquette, good taste. Oh, this is a nice book to read. Oh, this is nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Honestly, guys, I may have... Okay, so here we have like this at the back part. And, oh, what's this? Oh, that's nice. Are these stickers? I'm not really sure. So, like what I mentioned earlier, so when I have initially picked through this box, my reaction was priceless because I was genuinely surprised that this is what I got from Jenny, because I was really expecting that what's inside the box are makeup, lipstick, which of course I will be perfectly happy because I love makeup, of course, but this package over here made this gift really exciting. So again, thank you so much, Jenny, for this amazing, wonderful gift from LV. There, did you enjoy our Christmas holiday unboxing for today? So hope you did. So guys, again, kind reminders, we are going to have a separate unboxing for the everything POPMART next week. I'm going to film that vlog right now after this. So make sure you are subscribed to our channel so that you would be able to watch our exclusive unboxing of this POPMART beautiful gifts. I'm going to, of course, post it on our wall as well. And again, guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a Christmas tree emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to link a couple of videos here for you to check out. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye!